Today we're in our greenhouse and I want to show you how we actually look at snake plants when something goes wrong. Because if your snake plant has yellow leaves, don't cut them off just yet. A yellow leaf is not the diagnosis, it's a warning. And here's what makes this interesting. The exact same yellow color can come from completely different problems. It could be too much water. It could be a problem with light. It could simply be an old leaf. Or in some cases, the real problem could be underneath the soil. So today, let's look at 5 important things we check before deciding what's actually wrong with a snake plant. And pay close attention to number 4, because that's where the problem can be hiding. Let's start with the most common one. Number 1, too much water. Snake plants are excellent at storing water in their leaves and roots. That means they don't need constantly wet soil. If the soil stays wet for too long, the roots can struggle because they don't get enough oxygen. And when the roots start to suffer, the leaves can turn yellow, become soft, and eventually collapse. So don't water your snake plant just because it's been a certain number of days. Check the soil first. If it's still damp, wait. And when you do water, make sure the excess water can drain completely from the bottom of the pot. This is especially important if your pot doesn't have proper drainage. A snake plant generally handles dry conditions much better than constantly wet soil. Number 2, check the light. Snake plants are famous for tolerating low light, but there's a big difference between tolerating low light and thriving in it. If your plant is sitting in a very dark corner, growth can become slow and weak. But there's another mistake people make. They take a snake plant that's been growing in low light and suddenly put it into strong direct sunlight. That can cause leaf damage and stress. So what should you do? Give it bright, indirect, or filtered light. And if you're moving it from a darker location to a much brighter one, increase the light gradually. Number 3, look at which leaves are turning yellow. This is a simple clue that can tell you a lot. If an older, lower leaf slowly turns yellow while the rest of the plant looks healthy, it may simply be an aging leaf. Plants don't keep every leaf forever. But if several leaves are turning yellow at the same time, especially if the plant is becoming soft or unstable, that's different. Now I would start looking more closely at the soil and roots. And that brings us to number 4. Number 4, check under the soil. This is the part you can't see just by looking at the leaves. If your snake plant has yellow leaves and the soil has been staying wet for a long time, take the plant out of the pot and inspect the roots. Healthy roots should be firm. If you find roots that are dark, soft, or mushy, you may be dealing with root rot. And this is why simply cutting off the yellow leaf doesn't solve the problem. The leaf may only be showing you the symptom. The real problem could be underneath the soil. So if you keep removing yellow leaves but continue overwatering the plant, the problem can simply come back. You need to fix the cause. Remove damaged roots if necessary. Use fresh, well-draining soil. Make sure the pot drains properly and adjust your watering. Then give the plant time to recover. Number 5, look at the whole environment. Don't focus only on the yellow leaf. Think about what's happening around the plant. Is the soil staying wet? Is the pot draining properly? Is the plant getting enough light? Has the temperature changed suddenly? Is the plant sitting next to a cold window, heater, or air conditioner? Have you recently fertilized heavily? Are there any signs of pests? All of these things can affect the health of your plant. So don't look at one yellow leaf and immediately say, my snake plant has root rot. You need to look at the whole picture. So here's the most important thing I want you to take away from this video. Don't treat the yellow leaf. Find out why it's turning yellow. If it's an old leaf, you may not need to do anything. If the soil is staying wet, your watering or drainage needs attention. If the roots are soft and mushy, you need to deal with the root problem. And if the plant is healthy, but growing very slowly, take another look at the light. The leaf is giving you a clue. You just have to learn how to read it. And now, take a look at your own snake plant. How many leaves are turning yellow? And more importantly, what does the soil look like? Tell me in the comments. I may use some of your questions in a future video. And if you want to see exactly what healthy snake plant roots should look like compared with rotten roots, watch the next video. Subscribe for more real plant care tips from our greenhouse.